Hello everyone, my dear friend. Today follow me, let's explore the automatic filling line factory. Our factory has around 4,000 square meters. This is our smallest part. You can see there are a large number of labeling machine, filling machine, and the capping machine here ready to be shipped. So if you are order from us, our delivery date is very short. This is our designing department. This is our first step from the idea to the reality. Usually, when you place an order, our designer will have drawing a 3D picture according to your requirements.
The next step
I take you to see is our CNC department. This department is used to produce accessories. Usually, our designer will, after our designer drawing the 3D pictures, these machines will assemble the accessories automatically.
So CNC department is also an important factor to test the factory strength and customization innovation ability. After producing spare parts, the workers will be processing and assembling the spare parts in this field.
This is our second floor, our spare parts warehouse. There, after our CNC department production, all our spare parts will put here and ready to be used for the machine production.
This is our exhibition hall and new product R&D center, where more than dozen of our machines are displayed and more than dozen of our technical engineers are here to develop new products. If you are looking for a professional automatic filling, capping, sealing, and labeling machine, MTW machinery is a good choice for you.